Welcome back. In the last video, we were doing some subtraction with two-digit numbers. In this video, we're going to be taking it a step further, and I'm going to be showing you some regrouping. Let's have a look. Tommy ordered a pizza with 12 slices. He ate 6 slices. How many slices are left for his friends? We could think of it as 12 take away 6. Once again, I've got an imaginary line down here. 10s on this side, 1s on this side. If I made my number 12, it would look like this. 1 10 and 2 1s. As we always do with subtraction, we're going to start with the 1s first. I've got 2 1s, take away 6 1s. Look, I've only got 1 2 here. Can I take 6 away from that? No, I can't. The most I could take away is 2, isn't it? When we have this situation, we have to do what's called regrouping. Regrouping is when we use one of these 10s to add to the 1s that we've got here. We can do it like this. What I'm going to do is swap this 10 for 10 1s. So this one's coming out and this one's coming in. I haven't added or subtracted any. And since they're 1s, I'm going to put them over this side. Now I'm going to make a little change on my page to show what I've just done. I don't have any 10s anymore, so I'm going to get rid of the 10s. But I now have 12 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I take away 6, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's going to leave me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can record that at the bottom. And I don't have any 10s because we renamed this 10 into 1s. I could put a 0 there if that's helpful. How many slices were left for his friends? Well, there's 6 slices left. And that's how you can do regrouping when you don't have enough 1s. Let's have a look at another example. There were 25 jelly beans in a jar. Sam took 8 from the jar. How many are left? Writing it as a subtraction problem, we would have 25 take away 8. Again, I'm going to have an imaginary line to separate my 10s column from my 1s column. Tens, ones. We have 25 take 8. How are we going to solve it? First thing, I'm going to make it 25 would be 2 10s and 5 1s. If I've got 5 here, can I take 8 from that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I can't take 8. What I'm going to need to do is rename one of the 10s. I'm going to rename this 10 as 10 1s. So take one out and put one in. Notice they're exactly the same. Now changing the numbers on my page, I have not 2 10s, but I have now 1 10. And I have not 5 1s, but I have 15 1s. Let's see if I can take 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I can. And how many have I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can write 7. When we look at the tens column, we see we've still got 1 10. Our final answer is 17. "17 cookies left." That's how we do subtraction with regrouping. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like more help with this or any other maths concepts, you can head over to my website, links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.